Can you see the size of this fish, people?
Yeah, put. And a normal fish that.
I don't even know if the camera catches it
No,
good.
you have to crave me right now to eat of that.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. Sir?
Give thanks alive. And I've done a few more prayers.
Okay. Yes people, so it's about just after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We said we're going to go and get something to eat. We're going down to Sharkies seafood restaurant in Prairie Runaway Bay, is that right? Salem Runaway Bay?
Yeah.
In Salem Runaway Bay. We featured Sharkies on that channel before, but you know, we're going back. They do good food, good vibes, price is right.
I need a conch down there.
You had that last time.
Conch in coconut.
Coconut
Milk.
Oh right, okay. So he wants conch, so that's what you had last time. I'm not sure what I'm going for.
Need that like cook food.
Yeah. But people, let me tell you, right? So it's Saturday today. By the time you watch this, it's probably going to be Sunday. Saturday today. And we are well, we're not free, are we? But the government has lifted the curfew slightly. So instead of having to be inside at 8 o'clock in the evening, we are allowed in at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, they're giving us 2 extra.
Yeah, so you know, we have to take a 1 hour, 2 hour extra on that.
Well, you know.
Going into 10, you know, so we're going 11 or 12.
You know, there's always got to add the extra, right? But yeah, we can officially stay out till 10. Now, some of you might be laughing and thinking, oh my gosh, you guys are under curfew. We've been under curfew for the longest time, so I think we're used to it now. But yeah, we're under curfew, 10 o'clock. Christmas and New Year's, they've said we can be out until 1, right? Curfew till 1 a.m. so people can enjoy themselves and stuff. So we're taking advantage today of the new curfew hours, even though to be honest, we'll be in by early.
All back a little bit,
yeah.
Forward, you know?
So yeah, Sharkies it is today. I'm looking forward.
Yeah,
their food is always good.
We don't really have to hurry up to come back in, you know?
Yeah, if we want to stop up along the way or
time.
like your brother said. Yeah, so yeah, come with us guys. It's Sharkies day today, so yeah.
Yeah man.
See you in a short while.
Soon forward.
Yeah. So, something nice. So yeah, right on the sea, you can see the place is packed. Loads of cars parked all on the beach. So close, cars are parked to the water. Look. Now guys, at this point we have to do a voiceover just because the music in the background was commercial music and we would have been copyrighted. So guys, I'm sorry you can't get to hear what we're saying, but as you can see, that's the menu. Octopus, can you see Outlaw is pointed to Conch? That's what he wants. He's determined. Conch is what he wants. Conch is what he's gonna get. But we'll see if that happens.
Yeah, that comes something there.
So this is just a bit of the view from the sea. Outlaw did a bit of a walk around here, didn't you?
Beautiful.
It is nice, just before the sun set.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All the boats out there. It is a nice it's a great atmosphere, isn't it?
Family oriented and all.
Yeah.
You with them all the time. It's good, man. Nice good place. Full of vibe.
And it was full. It was full.
This
day was full. Yeah.
People was there, man.
So here guys, you can see this is so every Friday night, and I think we've featured this on the channel before. Every Friday evening, every Friday night they have a bonfire.
Bonfire.
Yeah, really nice. Isn't it?
Bonfire.
It's a good, yeah.
Yeah.
It's good. So this is obviously from the day before because we went on a Saturday. That's obviously from the night before the bonfire. But yeah, and then you can just see everybody. I am there somewhere. I don't know. Why didn't you zoom in on me? And I was waving to you from here, you know, and you didn't see me. You just moving the camera.
Right there,
Yes. You're pointing, but the people can't see where you're pointing to. Yeah. And you can see there's shells. So every time we come, this guy's selling these shells. They are pretty though. How much are they? Do you know?
No, man, but some nice shit.
Can you see me there in the background, guys? Probably not.
So that must be a thing. Surrounding nice, you know?
Kids enjoying themselves. But guys, like the people taking pictures. But guys, like I said, because of the music in the background, it was commercial music, popular music, and if I put that out with the music playing, this video would be taken down. We would be penalized. So copyright on YouTube is a serious thing. So we just decided, you know what? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, people, you understand? Yeah, them songs when them play about it normal.
Nice songs though. They played some nice songs yesterday.
Read what
does it say?
Look on this.
Look at what?
Look on.
At what?
You don't see it?
No.
You're not looking.
Oh gosh. And a famous sign, I love Sharkies.
Yes.
So why don't you call me over to come and take a picture next to this?
I'll do right there.
Why don't you call me to come and take a picture?
Yeah, so that's a love for us.
No, but why didn't you call me over to come and take a picture?
Yeah, but there's a love for us right there.
Okay. Avoiding the question, yeah?
No, not that.
Yes.
Just
okay, so people right here, can you see Outlaw vex again? Vex about something. You know why it was vex? Because we had to wait so long for the food and the drinks. I'm like, you have to be patient. The place is full. Just be patient.
I need a drink, man.
You hear what he said? Can you lip read? I need my drink before my food.
Yeah, people.
Because when you order, they want to carry the drink and the food at the same time. Right here, people, it was somebody's birthday and a man was putting down a piece of prayer.
Yeah, so it's
let's catch a piece of it.
Father, you know what's going on in the world of the sign, dear Lord. Even this coronavirus, dear Lord, taking over the land of the time, dear Jesus, Lord. I know you are looking down, dear God, upon the land, dear Jesus, Lord. Father God, we are here today to lift up the name of Jesus Christ. His name is so worthy to be praised, my God.
Amen.
Lord, we're not bound to no Satan, dear God. I'm going one man we have to bow to right now. Is the name of...
Finally, after about an hour, the drinks came. Can you see what he's got there? He's got something called a Miami Vibe, strawberry and pina colada mix. Yeah. And he always has to order what? Extra shot of rum, and it was still weak, but it was nice. I stick to my usual pina colada, that's my thing. But yeah, always orders extra shot. The fish came. No conch for Outlaw. They said it's out of season, right?
Out of season.
Out of season. Can you see the size of this fish, people?
Yeah, but I don't know how much fish that.
I don't even know if the camera catches it good.
No, for cream right now, we eat that.
Look at the fish. Can you see the size of this fish?
People like, I don't know something like that.
My gosh.
This is the normal fish right here.
Yeah. Huge.
Yes, man.
Right now, I'm saying to myself, boy, I don't think I can finish this. No way. But let me see.
These are free that to see.
It tastes good though.
Yeah, man. Tastes good,
fish tastes good. So there's Outlaw. He's tucking in there, you know. There's me. I'm trying. What I did well.
You're good.
Yeah. I was well hungry though.
You hungry like that?
I was so hungry. Guys, we couldn't finish it. We had half of it and we had to get box to go.
People are not fish to
Couldn't manage it. I had to take it home. Had to take it home.
Fat fish that, man. Yeah. Worth it.
Definitely worth it. Definitely worth the price. $1,800, isn't it? $1,800 for a fish with rice and peas.
Yes, man.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yes, peeps. So that was Sharkies, guys. Sorry that we couldn't make you hear what we were saying, but they were playing music in there, commercial music, and this video would be completely copyrighted. Wouldn't be able to put it out. We'll be penalized for copyright because of the music being played. So that's why we had to do. Well, that's why we will be doing a voiceover, or had to do a voiceover.
Yeah.
Sharkies. This time, the last time we came, it was like the food was good. The food was good this time, as always. Last time we came, the service was on point. Everything. This time, guys, service was disappointing. The wait time. It was busy. It is busy. Of course, we know it's Saturday. Of course, it's going to be busy, but there was just the wait time was long.
No, I nearly lose my appetite.
Yeah,
never lose it still.
Yeah.
But nearly.
You know when you're looking forward to something, you get there and you got a bit of vibe, and you have to wait so long, and the amount of times Outlaw had to get up and be calling the server to do things. We got our starter. I ordered some spring rolls. We got the starter. I finished the starter a long time, and that after about 10 minutes after, she wants to bring me a fork.
Yeah.
Like, it's too late.
And when him come and there's something to eat up, him still left the fork.
Yeah.
Think man, that's there. Cool,
everything.
Man, still left the fork. Everything was
we ordered the brown stew fish that came with rice and peas. The brown stew fish came. Did you see how big it was?
Yeah,
the rice and peas came later down. You know, after it's just
flavor is good. You know, blame good.
Yeah, it was good.
Taste
it's
is good. But
the taste is good. The taste doesn't drop, but the service today was below par. Not what we were used to last
never
time.
planned for that part of the show.
Yeah.
But true today, watch it. You know?
But nonetheless, you know, nice atmosphere. And
everybody goes differently, man. Come on the seaside right there, you know? So you know how I go.
Yeah.
Atmosphere is good. That's
always good. Yeah.
So what's the manners and prayers?
Yeah. So it's nice to come out. It's nice to get out actually in the evening. We don't usually get out in the evening, so it's nice to get in the evening and have a nice meal. There's people we're just coming from Salem and we're just driving through Runaway Bay, and look how busy it is. What time is it? 7:30? Some people are still selling you can get every vegetable, every food. Supermarkets are open. Place is full. Place is full. Everything you need. If you haven't got everything for your Sunday dinner, tomorrow you can still get it.
Right now,
nearly 7:30 in the evening.
I need to go right up to the time.
Right up to 10 o'clock. Yeah.
Right up to the time.
That is one thing I love about Jamaica though.
Everybody has to watch it. Everybody's selling.
Everybody's selling, yeah.
Yeah, everybody buying and selling. See that?
That's one thing I do love about Jamaica that I don't see abroad, is that, especially that before COVID and stuff, you can get everything any time of night.
Anytime. Pour that onion.
Oh, check this. Thank you.
4, 5.
4 or 5.
Yeah.
And that.
Thanks.
Like that. Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cool.
So yes,
In the night.
I was there. Something to eat.
Yeah, and some skilling and time.
Yeah, so we just got some onion. Onion. And
yeah.
Skeleton and time. You know you can't buy one without the other, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm married. Yeah, if you have to do and get the thing in together.
Yeah.
Half pound, yeah?
Yeah.
You got some carrot for people.
I know something looking.
Go around to pick them up. Everything got my people. Pick up a few little thing, you know? We're short in our house. We just pick it up right now, cause that's what I went at the street a while ago. Market up like 7. Yeah, pick up any little thing you can. Any little thing you forget from earlier, you can still get it. And you know I come on road tomorrow. That thing go. Go to the place, man.
Guys, I think this is where we're going to end out the vlog.
No, that's something to go.
Yeah, thank you for watching another Vlogmas. Guys, we try to keep them coming every day for you.
Yeah, but I know what thing going on. I run the rest thing.
Yes, so guys, if you haven't liked this video, please press the thumbs up. Please do watch some of the ads. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again tomorrow, right? For the next Vlogmas.
Yeah, man. You get it, man. So no thing, go.
Alright, guys.
It's gotta be the glory.
Let me see.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.